Did you know that up to 35 of Salesforce certified platform app builder candidates fail their exam on the first try? Will you be one of them? Not if you prepare the right way. Let's see if you can answer these real questions from our practice tests. Question 1. At Northern Sky Lighting, a single consultant, one real person, is employed by a distributor, but is temporarily assigned to multiple customer accounts during projects. Sales operations requires that the person's ownership and default email stay tied to their primary employer on the contact, while the same individual must appear under additional accounts with distinct roles and start-and dates. They also need to deactivate secondary affiliations later without losing historical associations on opportunities, and they want to avoid creating duplicate contacts. Which configuration best meets these requirements using standard capabilities? A. Create a separate contact record for each account and use opportunity contact roles to reflect the person's involvement across deals. B. Add the individual to account teams on each account with the appropriate role and remove them when their assignment ends. C. Enable contacts to multiple accounts and use account contact relationships for secondary affiliations, keeping the primary employer via the contacts account field while capturing role and start-and dates on the relationship and deactivating it when needed. D. Enable person accounts and convert the contact to a person account, then relate the person to multiple business accounts using account relationships. What's your answer? Take a moment to think. The correct answer is C. This scenario tests understanding of how core CRM objects relate, especially contacts, accounts, and account contact relationships. Contacts to multiple accounts lets one contact keep a primary employer while being affiliated to other accounts with roles and dates, satisfying reporting and lifecycle needs without duplicates. A common pitfall is trying to use account teams user-focused, duplicate contacts, or person accounts for B2B affiliations, none of which meet the requirements cleanly. Want more questions like these? The full course contains 360 similar scenario-based questions. Why choose our course? Because we provide detailed scenario-based questions with deep explanations for every single option. Get instant access to 360+ questions and 6 complete practice tests. Start passing today with our 100 success guarantee.